that look. Welcome to Canada, eh?
I would think this is where they're coming.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd probably hunt that.
There's more mallards up on the other side of here.
Everything I own in one suitcase by my side. Yeah, my one left me, took my happy home, left me with nothing but this eagerness to roam. The next time I get robbed, it'll be with a gun. Lord, this woman's got me on the run.
The ducks off the right.
Any fool could have told ya. Was counting days while I was counting nights. Never meant to stay with me. Lord knows I tried to treat her right. The next time I get robbed, it'll be with a gun. Lord, this woman got me on the run. I keep running.
I think we gave it to him the second time. Yeah, we did. That was fun.
Took my big TV screen. Guess I wasn't part of a plan. She'd been running with another man. Next time I get robbed, it'll be with a gun. Lord, this woman got me on the run. I keep running.
What is that even?
Razorback.
Don't mind putting mallards right in your That's the end of your boot bag here,